Hey guys, I just want to let you know this video does start out pretty slow. I'm still brand new to this whole video thing, but if you guys do enjoy, leave a like and sub. There is a couple fun clips around in it, so if you guys do stick through it, I really appreciate it. Because I enjoy making them. Let's see how far we can make it with these videos. Anyways, enjoy guys. Hey guys, Mikey's Rotary here. Guy needed the wiring harness on a ignition cylinder. So we're gonna go do that. All right, it's nighttime out, but this is the time we got to work with. So this is what we're working with. Yeah, I knew I had an ignition cylinder. Nothing in it. Cool, so let's go look for one in a car. This one does not have the ignition cylinder. Let's see what this car has to offer. Probably that. This is 7980, but this one's gone. I just sold that the other day. This car might have one I haven't sold yet. Nasty. No way. Oh, it's this thing. Yeah, so we do have one. Alright, because it should just unplug back here. That's freaking like seized. And I have no room right here. That's okay. Let's get in here. Make sure there's no spideys. Can't do spiders, man. Cannot do spiders. Got some bolts. That's like for the kick panel or something. Like that. Anyways. This'll do. Alright, let's get in here. Ah, there's one. Two. I'm gonna get this vent out of the way. Oh, yes, that's nice. Get that thing out of here. Okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's that. Oh, that one. Oh, and that one. There we go. Awesome. Let's get him some pictures and... Perfect. Get that sent to him. Hey guys, it's a new day. Guy that wanted that part also wanted a couple other things, but he did pay us, so I'm gonna get the other things off. I'll get everything boxed up today. You'll be able to see all that, and hopefully it'll be a lot of fun. Yeah, let's get to it. All right, so he wanted passenger side door rubber trim, the driver side quarter door rubber trim, 2 side marker housings. I think either of these will do. See, like this one's already out. Bam, there's that one. Actually, I had 2 back here. Looks good. Cool, so we got the side marker housings. Bam, stick those with that. Yeah, I cleaned up real nice. We'll go ahead and take this one off. And this is just glued on here, so I'm gonna do the thick side first. Bam, there's that. So yeah, so this piece is separate. Looks like a nice one. Trying to stick this where the tape is. There we go. There we go. There's that little piece there. Cool, so both of this looks pretty. Put this with the other parts. We'll go get that other trim piece off. He needs the driver's side. Bam, there it is. This one's already almost coming off, but that one has some chewed into it or something. So we'll save that for someone who needs one but doesn't want to pay full price. Let's see, that one's gone. That one's gone. Guess I could pull it off of this one. A little freaking chip out right there. We'll send him those pictures and see which one he wants. Those. That. Yeah, I'm in the housings, that's right. Get some good lighting in there. Perfect. Send those to him as well. Perfect. All right, we'll see when that guy messages back. I'll get that stuff boxed. You guys will be able to watch that too, and we'll send it off. All right, so the guy paid us for all of this stuff. It's actually, didn't want that one, wanted the one with the little nick in it. So we'll get that off real quick, and then we'll bring it inside, we'll box it, we'll get a label for it. We're just working on the 79, the stupid trailing is not firing. It's like the trailing igniter isn't working. So my tachometer isn't working, getting no spark from the trailing igniter, so I don't know. Anyways, don't have my headlamp with me, but this will do. Ooh, this lens is broke too, unless I just did that, but I don't think I did. Oh well, let's get this cleaned up. I'm gonna bring all this stuff inside. There we go, it cleaned up pretty nice. A little nick, but he knows about it. He chose this one, so let's crud off the back. There's that. All right, let's bring all this stuff inside. Cool, I think we got everything. Such a beautiful night out, huh? Oh, there's the moon. Look at that thing. Wow. All right. Perfect. Try to find a box. I know I got some really good, long, skinny boxes. Yeah, like one of these. Oh, that's not long. This guy. Is that gonna be long enough? Oh, yes it is. This box will be perfect. Wifey usually does the boxing part. I'll do this boxing, and probably every other boxing you see, Miss Rotary will do it. And what I like to do is take pictures as I box it. Keep it together. All right, now these are very fragile. How fragile that is. There's some bubble wrap for that. Here it is. All right. So let's try to wrap this so that the wire can kind of protect it as well. Nice and thick. Perfect. That's pretty solid. Could tape these to a piece of like foam board too. Maybe I'll do that. Try to coil this up so that kind of protects it. Protects that front face. Kind of fragile. Bam. I'm gonna wrap these together. And yeah, I think I'm gonna get a piece of something. And I'll see it if Miss Rotary doesn't package like that either. And wearing, this is kind of fragile too. And just don't want any of these things to get damaged. Let's get this wrapped up good. Alright, into the box it goes. Could probably tape all this stuff together. I think it'll fit. Should all fit. There we go. That looks good. So yeah, this stuff I'll tape together. Here. There we go. It should fit. This is gonna have to go like that, I think. There's the rest of that tape. One big hunker dunk, and that can go on top. There it goes, like a glove. Let's stick that little piece in here, like that. There we go. Don't want to force anything, but just want this to be down enough. I can get another little tiny piece of paper in here. Bam, just like that. Oh yes, can't forget the gospel track. Bam. This. There's that. There's the bottom look. Put another piece or two over this. There we go. Alright. So say 49.5 by 5.5 by 5.5. 49.5 by 5.5 by 5.5. And it weighs 4 pounds. 5 pounds. About 5 pounds. Alright, got the label printed. Slap it on the box. Alright, got the label on the box. Gonna sit next to the door until tomorrow. Right there. Hey guys, just want to say thanks a ton for watching the video. I want to give a big shout out to Daniel at Dport Rotary, dportrotary.com. I'll have it down in the description. He's got all kinds of stuff from services, got videos, stuff for sale in his shop. But big shout out to him. Yeah, if you guys need any help with anything or any questions or anything, go ahead and put them in the comments. I'll reply. I'll be here. Again, I really appreciate you guys' view. Take it easy.